This is Millie and this is Plum.
Hello!
Welcome to Kids Cooking School. We are so glad that you are here.
Yeah! Mrs. Millie, I have a joke for you. What is a dog's favorite pizza?
What?
Pepperoni!
Speaking of pepperoni, today we're going to be making bread pizza.
Yum! I love pizza! Do we cook for this?
We will be using a microwave today, so make sure there is a grown-up around and always ask permission before you make anything.
Being safe is the most important thing.
That's right.
So
now let's begin. Today I have my friend Lucas here to help us out.
Hello, Lucas. Hello. Hi. I love pizza.
I love pizza too.
What do we need for bread pizza?
We have to do bread, even cheese, even sauce.
You're exactly right. The type of cheese, you can use any cheese you want, but we have mozzarella cheese here today.
Yep.
Yum! What do we do first?
First, we're going to take a piece of bread.
Okay.
And where do you think we need to put the piece of bread?
Over here.
Yeah, you need a microwave-safe plate.
Okay.
Next, put our
Sauce.
yeah, we're gonna put sauce on the
Bread.
bread.
Yay!
Now this is kind of a big container, so we have a spoon here to
I
help
want
us
to do
scoop it
it.
out.
Scoop it.
Good job!
And if we spill, that's okay. We just got to make sure we clean it up. Now we're gonna carefully scoop it out
Yep.
and put some on, and then we're gonna rub it around to cover the whole piece of bread.
Okay.
And if you're really an expert at doing the scooping, you can maybe carefully pour it. Good job! You're doing so great!
Now we're going to do the
Cheese.
I love cheese!
me too.
Me too.
Yeah, and we're gonna cover the whole thing.
Okay. Even this.
And if you want to put toppings on it too, you can. You can do pepperoni, sausage.
Yep.
You can even do olives! Whatever you like on a regular pizza, you can put on.
I like
Yeah.
olives.
Me too!
And now we're going to put it in the microwave.
What?
We're going to start with 30 seconds, and then if it's not melted at the end of 30 seconds, we can do a little more, about 10 seconds at a time, until it's all melted how we want to. This is at the end of 30 seconds. It's not quite done yet, so we're gonna do a little bit longer. This is after 15 more seconds. If you want, you can microwave it a little bit longer, but for us, I think this is good.
I love melted cheese!
Even me?
I bet it's hot though. We should blow on it.
Yep.
It is going to be hot, so you can either put it in the freezer for a couple minutes or in the fridge, or you can just blow on it if you want. One way that we really like to cut this that makes it really simple is actually with a pizza cutter, but make sure you have a grown-up help with this part.
A regular pizza cutter. Nice idea. That looks good.
It's mine. Okay.
Ooh, cheesy. Bread pizza is really good for a quick snack or even a lunch. Something that you need fast, but yummy.
Mhm.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Can I try a bite?
Don't touch.
Oh! That's really good! Thanks for joining us!
Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Just keep trying and every time will get a little bit easier.
If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button.
It's the big red rectangle.
And if you make any of our creations or want to connect with us, have your parents tag us on Instagram @Kids Cooking School. We're also on Facebook.
We would love to see what you are making and practicing. Now go make something tasty.